Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one I'll be explaining quickly some tips and tricks on how you can level up Enchanting quickly in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First of all, the way you actually level up Enchanting is by either enchanting and disenchanting items at the enchantment table. That is the main way that you can level up Enchanting, by actually using the skill. Another way is you can search for skill books and read them, and you will level up Enchanting per one level per book. However, those books are rare, and both enchanting and disenchanting and reading books is pretty much a slow way of leveling up. The main way that you can actually level up is by, well, using the enchanting table to enchant and disenchant. However, you can use an exploit with potions and armor. If you have enchanted armor that fortifies your enchanting, or a potion that fortifies your enchanting, you will enchant it at a much higher quality, which will give you more XP. And if you use the exploit, which is, I think, I don't remember the exploit quite well. I've never done it personally. Excuse me for the phone notification. But yeah, you can use a fortify enchanting spell on your armor, or fortify enchanting potion while you're enchanting. Enchant some more armor with fortify alchemy, then you can create a better fortify enchanting, and then create a better enchanting potion, and then better fortify alchemy armor, and so on and so on. And you can do that I think as many times as you want. You can search for the exploit on YouTube. It is very easily available, and it is quite popular, and it has been for about, well, 11-12 years now. So if you want, that is the fastest way. It is not legit, however, so that kind of sucks, but still, that is the fastest way. Another fast way is to find actual trainers who can train you for a gold cost, and they can train you one level per payment, and one level of enchanting per payment, and then you can do 5 levels per actual character level, and that's the fastest legit way that you can do it as far as I know. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.